Hi, my name is Lucy. I'm a qualified baby yoga instructor, and we just want to show you a sequence of moves that are really fun to do with your baby and really good if they're a little bit unsettled because it's a great distraction. So, we are going to start swinging the baby out to the sides, so just make sure you're nice and supported, your back is as straight as it possibly can be, knees nice and bent, and we can say, 3 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, quiet as could be. Snap! Went Mr. Crocodile, don't tease me, don't tease me. 3 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came Mr. Crocodile, quiet as can be. Snap! Mr. Crocodile, don't tease me, don't tease me. 3 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said whack, 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 and 2 little ducks came swimming back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said whack, 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 and 1 little duck came swimming back. Just swap your arm over. 1 little duck went swimming one day, over the hills and far away. Mummy duck said whack, 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 and all her ducks came swimming back.